Hello, this is Guy Epstein from MSolutions, and I will present to you the MS-DPA-HCP. As you can see in this diagram, the DPA-HCP is a USB-C DP alt mode extender with an additional HDMI input that you can switch between HDMI and USB-C as your video source, extend it up to 330 feet over Cat6a and above cable to the device unit. From the device unit, you can output an HDMI for video and an additional USB-C DP alt mode output that will support also video and data. So you can connect a soundbar to the USB-C and a display to the HDMI, get the same video on both displays and the data from the soundbar. All on one USB-C cable that also charges your laptop. For more information, please go to www.m4, the number 4, sol.com.